Hello and welcome to CAD Maniac. This is part 4 of making a simple floor plan using AutoCAD 2022 version. You can download and install AutoCAD 2022 tutorial linked in the I button, and I hope this tutorial series will be beneficial for both civil as well as architecture students. So in the previous parts of the simple floor plan making, we have created the walls and also the doors and windows. Also we have added the blocks and hatches. Link provided in the description section. And this tutorial is all about annotations. So first we will add texts, multi-line texts, then we will add the dimensions. After that we will add this table, the door and window schedule. We will create this in Excel and then we will import the same in AutoCAD. So we'll start with the texts. I'll set the text layer as the current layer. Then type MT and press enter. Click at the two diagonally opposite corners as shown. Type bedroom, enter, 16 feet into 14 feet. Then select the text. Now I'll change the text height to somewhere between the inner wall thickness and the outer wall thickness. So I'll change it to 8 inch, press enter. Justify text to center. I'll drag this corner a bit and then simply left click outside this text box to add the text. I can move it by selecting and dragging this big box. So it's done. Now I'll copy the text to the other places. So type CO and press enter and then place it at the places as shown. Then what you have to do is just double click on the text and rename. That's it. So change these as shown. Now I'll add these annotations. So same method. Copy the text and place it as shown. Double click, change it to W1, then select this one and make it subscript. Now copy it to other places and edit as shown. So all done. Next is we'll add dimensions. So first I'll set the dimension layer as the current layer. I'll add a linear dimension first. So type DLI and press enter. Then click at the two endpoints of this wall as shown. Take it downwards and left click. Now it's too small. So I'll change some settings. So type D and press enter. Click on modify. Then in the feet tab, change the overall scale to maybe 3, press enter. Now I'll suppress these extension lines, so go to lines tab and suppress these two. Hit OK and then close. Now I'll use dimension continue command to continue the dimension. So type DIMC and press enter. Then click at the endpoints of the walls to add the remaining dimensions. Right click to exit. Same way, first I'll add the linear dimensions to all sides. Do it as shown. Then give dimension continue command and continue the dimensions in the line. So proper dimensioning is done. Now I'll add this door and window schedule. So first set the text layer as the current layer. Then click on table or give table command. Click on from data link. Click here and create a new data link. Name it. Hit OK. Click on 3 dot to browse. Select the Excel sheet. I have made this in Excel. So select OK. OK again and then again. And here it comes. Now just left click. You can drag from this corner to resize. So we have successfully added the table. Now if we change anything in Excel sheet and save, we can update that in AutoCAD as well. What we have to do is just select the table, right click and click on update table data links. And here it is, table got updated. So I'll end this tutorial here guys. Do like and share if you want me to create tutorials like this. So everybody stay healthy, stay safe, bye bye.